You are here with your daughter who is 21, right? And you were 21 when you became a billionaire. Is that right?
Almost, yeah.
All right, so around that age. You were like the youngest person to become a billionaire. Is that right?
Pretty good. Yeah, in terms of my own, earning it on my own, yeah.
Right. Okay, so, well, just the most important thing, yes. So, when you were a kid, did you care about money, or you just cared about technology and it just happened?
Mostly I love software. I do remember at the private school I went to, there were other kids whose families were better off, like they had a Porsche or something, but it wasn't that big of a deal. My thing was that I just loved doing software, I loved hiring people, and I was stunned when it ended up being so valuable.